I know many of you have came across this exchange called Bybit one way or the other, and most of you don't know why many crypto traders are majorly using this exchange. And also these days I discovered that most forex traders are also moving into this exchange, which is called the Bybit. Bybit is one of the most unique crypto trading exchange in the whole world and is becoming the leading cryptocurrency exchange that users can trade with it conveniently and easily because of their features and also their trading tools. Here is what makes this video more interesting. Bybit is giving out 300 AVN token in reward to new members of all my trading communities across all my channels, including my Telegram communities where I drop trading signals. This is because I recently got a partnership with Bybit. That is why you are seeing my community name showing at the top here. So now, to claim this 300 AVNT token from Bybit, all you need to do is to follow these details and complete all these tasks, which is very simple. So right on my screen you can see that here they are saying deposit to earn 300 AVNT in rewards, and you can see if you look closely here they say for new users only. And if you come down here you can see event ends in 7 days. So you can see it's a limited time offer from Bybit exchange to my community. So if we go down you can see this is how to participate on it. Here they say sign up, complete tasks, get reward, and that's just it. Stick to the end and you understand everything. So before I proceed in the video, I want you to take a look on my Telegram community. Now if you're a trader also, you can join my Telegram community so that you'll be getting free signals which I drop here. These are free trading signals which I drop on my Telegram community. You can join it and you can be getting it also. You can see that I usually drop signals and other interesting updates on my Telegram community, so you can join and check them out. So currently you can see this signal here on trading view. You can see that I have already analyzed, and you can see that it's currently in a good move. You can see that the trade is currently in a good move. So I usually drop these signals and setups in my Telegram channel, so make sure you join and you will be getting all these signals also. And also I'm going to be using this exchange, which is Bybit, to be trading those signals that I usually drop on my Telegram community there. So if you have not yet gotten a Bybit account, you can check the description section, which you can see details there, which you can use to get an account for yourself. Setting up an account on Bybit is very easy and simple. After using the details in the description section, you can come to this section, go to the sign up page, where you can come here and click on this and select your country or your region. So after you select it, it's going to take you to the next page where you can select or input your email or your phone number, and you can create an account. After creating an account, always make sure you enable your Google factor authentication and verify your account to protect your trading funds. Bybit exchange app is also available on Play Store and also App Store, depending if you are using an Android device or an iOS device. If you are interested in using the app version, you can check the App Store or Play Store. So let me explain in details. So right on my screen here you can see that Bybit is saying that this offer is exclusively available for new users who sign up on Bybit after 23rd February 2026, and they are also saying right here that rewards are limited to the first 190 eligible participants. That's on a first come first serve basis. So this is why you need to act fast. And also, as of the time I made this video, you can see that this offer is going to be lasting for 7 days, 10 hours, 35 minutes. So this is why it's so limited time offer. So if we go to the how to participate section here, you see that the first thing to do is to first of all sign up with Bybit exchange. So to participate in this offer, you need to register with my invitation link. That's the first step, which is the sign up link in the description section of this video, which I have explained earlier in the video. Then after you have completed creating an account for yourself, all you need to do next is to complete the tasks by just following these details. So Bybit is saying at this section that Complete the following tasks. Deposit at least 100 USD within 7 days of receiving the tax, and you can track your tax progress in the reward hub. This means after you have signed up to Bybit exchange using the details in the description section, you need to have at least 100 USDT in your Bybit wallet exchange, and that amount of USD will be on your wallet, which is your Bybit exchange wallet, for 7 to 8 days, which you can track your tax progress in the reward hub. So once Bybit have verified your tax completion, you can go ahead and claim your reward in the reward hubs. And you should also know that all Bybit payment methods are allowed for this reward, which you can see the P2P trading, buy with fiat and all that. They are all allowed. You can receive from Bybit user and a direct blockchain. So now let's go and see the current value of AVNT on the market. So to do that, I'll just come to this market section here and then click on this and enter AVNT. You can see it right over here. I'll just click on it directly. It's going to bring me to this page where you can see the current price of AVNT is about 0.1727 USD. So you can see this is the current price of AVNT in the market. So let's see the worth of about 300 AVNT, what is going to amount into. So I'll just go to this sell section here and then I'll impute 300 AVNT. So if I impute 300 AVNT, you can see current price of 300 AVNT is about 51.81 USDT. So for confirmation, let me go to my calculator and calculate it and see what is going to be there. So let's say 300 AVNT times 0.1727, which is the current rate of 1 AVNT, is, you can see, is about 51.81. So that means it's still the same figure that Bybit Exchange showed us here also. So this is the amount of AVNT what a user can be getting when you complete this offer as I've explained in this video. Thank you so much for watching till this point, and if you gain value from this video, please leave a thumbs up on this video and then share this video out so that others can benefit from it. And if you do not gain value from this video, let me know why in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. I will be seeing you next on the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed.